Hi, I'm Mike Nelson. I'm the Distribution Center Manager with Safelite Autoglass here in Ontario, California. Safelite is the nation's leader in auto glass repair and replacement. Here at the Safelite Autoglass Distribution Center in Ontario, California, we move about 1,600,000 units of glass on an annual basis. We've had Hyster equipment here in this facility since we opened up in 2009, and it's been supported by Papé Material Handling. They've done a fantastic job of allowing us to keep our uptime at almost 100%. The support that they give is just really unparalleled, and it's fantastic.
My name is Forrest Hooper, and I work here at Safelite Autoglass. I've been a lift operator for about 12 years. I like the Hysters because they are very sturdy machines. They are reliable. They are battery stay charged pretty much the whole day. The machine is very safe. It's very sturdy when it's up high.
My name is Grant Wilson, and I'm a forklift operator in the distribution center here in Ontario, California. So the wire guidance system definitely allows me to get my job done quickly and efficiently and safely. It's one switch, so when you're on the order picker, you hit a switch and it connects to the wire. And after that, once you're in the aisle, you're really just worrying about up and down and forward. So it really allows us to do our job in a very efficient manner and very quick manner.
I've worked in other facilities with other types of equipment from other companies. Never had the kind of uptime that we've had with Hyster equipment. It's just been fantastic, and if I sound like I'm gushing, it's because it's really been that good. It's not something I even have to think about, and I do owe that to Hyster and Pape for their skill and their technician skill in keeping us up and running.